What's the first thing that pops into your head when you think of celebration? Yes, it's chocolates. Hi everyone, this is Gurpreet and I'll tell you an easy recipe of making chocolates at home. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So this is milk compound and this is dark compound and this is very easily available in the market. So these are the sprinklers for chocolates, silver sprinklers, colorful sprinklers. These are chocolate biscuits and some dry fruits. I've taken almonds and raisins. So step 1 is we need a double boiler. So here I've taken one steel bowl and I've put some water in it. Then you have to place a glass bowl over it. So one thing that you need to make sure of is that the bottom of the bowl should not touch the water. So I prefer a 3:1 ratio, 3 parts of milk compound and 1 part of dark compound. So now we'll place it on the gas stove. So while the chocolate is melting, you need to make sure that there are no lumps and it's soft and smooth. So chocolate is nice and smooth. Now we'll pour it in the mold. So once we pour the chocolate in the mold, we need to tap it like this so that there are no bubbles. And you can also use a toothpick in case you still think there are any bubbles left. So once we are done with this, we'll place it in the freezer for like 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes and the chocolates are ready. Let's demold them. Our chocolates are ready and now we can also wrap them so that we can give them to our loved ones. So this Valentine's Day, serve your loved ones with these homemade chocolates.